So in the last class, we were discuss about versions of Salesforce and editions of Salesforce. Yes or no?
Sir,
Okay, guys, let us start the class. All of you ready? Srinivas,
sir.
Mayank, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Today I'm going to discuss about environments of Salesforce. Last class, we discussed about versions of Salesforce. And what is the next one here? Editions of what? Salesforce. And today I'm going to start with what? The environments of Salesforce. Tell me how many versions?
5 versions.
3 versions. That is what? Summer, spring, and winter. Editions are how many? 5 editions. Essential, Unlimited, Enterprise, Professional, and Developer. Okay. So now I'm going to start with what? Environments of Salesforce. How many environments are there? Come on. There are 2 types of environments in Salesforce. That is sandbox environment and the second one is what? Production environment. What is sandbox environment and what is production environment? Sandbox environment means it is purely developers environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client's need. Understand all of you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Mayank, understand?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth,
Yes,
it is purely developers environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client's need or client's requirement. Again, sandbox divided into three types. First one,
configuration sandbox.
1 minute, guys, please wait.
Developer sandbox.
There are three types of sandboxes. One is, configuration sandbox. Developer sandbox. And full copy sandbox. Total how many? Come on, 3. Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox. It is purely GUI environment where developers develop the application without coding or programming. Understand? Hello guys, Srinivas, Mayank. I
Yes,
can
sir.
say 40% of application development in Salesforce through GUI only. That is, a coding part is very less in Salesforce because 40% of application development without coding we can develop. Understand all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Developer sandbox. Developer sandbox means it is purely coding environment where developers develop the application through coding or programming. Here for programming, we use what language?
Apex.
Apex language. I can say 60% of application development, 60% of application development we can done through what is this? Coding. So 40% application through GUI, 60% application development through, coding. Understand everyone in the class? Hello?
So by 40% through GUI, you mean to say that just like in .NET we have in Visual Studio Code, the drag and drop features, buttons and all that.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So
Okay,
same is available in Salesforce also.
yeah, not only this thing, some business logics you can develop through GUI. Hello.
The front end can be developed through point and drag and drop.
That is okay. That is only drag and drop means you're talking about only the front end point of view. Some
Okay.
complex business validations also you can perform through GUI in Salesforce.
Controller part, you mean?
Controller part. Without writing the coding, some complex business validations we can perform through GUI.
And model part also it can be done through GUI, or for that we have to
Model part also we can do through GUI only. Point clear?
Okay.
Suppose I want to create this object. You don't need to write any coding, you don't need to write any command and all. Just drag and drop, point and click. You want to insert the field, you want to add the field, you want to modify the field. You want to
So
create.
whatever the developers are asked to develop, they are given to the developers in well organized format, or like in user stories. We have user stories in Agile. So here, how requirements are communicated to developers.
So as usual, see, generally, if you want to develop the application for any client, first of all, business analyst and the architect both go and sit in front of the client. They will ask the No, the requirements of the client. So they will prepare the BRD, business requirement document. Okay, Mayank.
Yep.
Based on that, they will develop the application. They, in the sense what? Not architect. They will give the BRD to the technical team, and technical team, accordingly, technical team is going to develop the application. Point clear? Same as, see, same as normal Java .NET only. The point is what? The point is coding part is less comparatively .NET and Java. Hello? The basic process never change. Point clear? The way how you develop the application, other technologies, the way how you follow the complete process, whatever agile process you are following, okay, user stories, everything. Same thing here also you are following. As far as coding point of view, I'm talking here, coding part is less comparatively other technologies. That's it. Understand, Mayank? Mayank, understand? Hello?
Sorry, I was on mute, sir. I was talking on mute. So yes, I am. Actually, I have to operate through only one hand now, so there's some delay. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, it's is clear, sir. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you. Next, full copy sandbox. Full copy sandbox means it contains the replica. Replica means what?
Pre-prod environment, like exact replica of
Duplicate
production.
copy of the original application. Duplicate copy of the original application. We can place in where? Come on. Full copy sandbox.
It's a staging environment.
It is used for testing purpose. Which purpose?
Testing purpose.
Do you know about SDLC, Mayank?
So software development
life
lifecycle or software test lifecycle?
software development life cycle
Yes, sir. Right.
contains 4 phases, yes or no?
Yeah, requirement gathering, designing, testing, and deployment. Sir.
No, designing, development,
Develop, testing, and maintenance or deployment.
deployment. Maintenance after deployment will come, okay?
Yes, sir. Right.
So deployment. These are the 4 phases of software development life cycle. After develop the application, we have to test the application. Do you know what is the meaning of testing?
Yes, so we have to check whether the application that has been developed is meeting the requirements or client expectation.
Testing is what? It is a process of
Checking the
point of view. It is a process of checking
checking, validating, or
whether
using the
the
application.
application,
Yes.
Whether the application performance.
whether the application really meeting
Client requirement,
the
business
client
requirement,
requirement or not. Yes or no?
business requirement specification document.
Yes. Whatever it is, ultimately that is the meaning you will get, okay? That is
Yes.
the meaning of testing. Deployment means, what is the meaning of deployment? Move the application, moving the application
Moving the
from sandbox to
sandbox to production.
production. So this is called something called deployment.
So do we also have DevOps kind of thing here in Salesforce, just like when other projects?
DevOps also we can use, but that is not the main part, okay?
Is is DevOps is followed in Salesforce based projects?
Yeah, DevOps also follows,
Okay.
okay?
Will we
But
learn that?
I'm not aware of DevOps. I'm purely technical side. Okay, I'm not aware of.
Will we be like learning DevOps here?
Yeah, DevOps also supports in Salesforce. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Designing, development, testing, and deployment. So deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. So these are the 3 sandboxes. And coming to the next important thing, production here. So production environment. So Production environment means it is purely, come on, end users environment. Yes or no? Or I can say client's environment. Here, client and client employees are sitting and use the, come on, application. I can say it is
SaaS side of the thing.
SaaS environment.
Yes.
Understand all of you? Okay. But here I'm going to ask a simple question. Is client and client employees knows how to use the application?
No, sir.
They don't know how to use the application, how to log in.
They
Because
have to be given
without
some
having the
KT.
accounts, without having the username and password. Let me complete my answer. Without having the account in the sense, without having the username and password, no user can log in, no user can access the application. Yes or no? So who will create the accounts? Who will create the username and passwords? So there is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. That person, we can call him as super user, or the other way around, we can call him as system administrator. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
A system administrator is a person who is always sitting at the production place or client's place. System admin is a person who is always sitting at the client place. And he is a person, okay, handles so many jobs. Actually, in Salesforce, we have two types of job profiles. How many? Two types of job profiles. One is he can go for a developer side as a developer, or he can go for what? As administrator, he can go admin. How many types of jobs in Salesforce? Technical side, technical jobs. Two, developer and admin. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to go for development side, okay, you should have good knowledge on what is this? Programming in Apex.
So you also have business analyst and QA, right?
Sorry?
Business analyst and QA. Salesforce business
That
analyst.
is QA is different. QA belongs to testing part. Hello.
You have mentioned that in Salesforce we have two type of job profiles. So there are other job profiles also. Isn't that
I
so?
am talking about the technical side.
Okay.
Purely technical side. Just try to understand. We have function side is also there. Function
Okay.
side means what? Either you can go for marketing cloud, or sales cloud, or service cloud, or commerce cloud, or health cloud, or IST cloud, or some other clouds also there. That is what? Completely functional.
Okay.
Testing. Even testing jobs also there in Salesforce as a QA developer. Business analyst, that is different job. Salesforce architect, that is different job. Salesforce architect, when you can go for Salesforce architect, unless and until you have minimum to minimum 5 to 10 years of development side experience, then only can go for architect side. Point clear, everyone?
No, sir.
I am talking about only purely technical point here. Okay, Mayank. Mayank, tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
So other than these two, I'm technical jobs today I'm talking here. QA is different. That is testing. But don't go for testing side. You'll get very less salary. My suggestion is, my advice is better to go for either development side or admin side. If you want to go for technical side. Okay. So admin. If you want to go for admin, you do not require any programming skills. Just drag and drop, point and click only. But comparatively developer, admin getting less salary. Developer getting more salary than admin. I can say at least minimum to minimum 15 to 20% salary variation is there between developer and admin part. Admin jobs. Understand everyone in the class?
Yes,
sir.
Good. Fine. Suppose if you got a job as an admin, what is your roles and responsibilities? As a system administrator. What are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? Listen carefully. First role, system administrator need to create the accounts. Account in the sense, come on, creating the usernames and what?
username and passwords.
Yes, create the roles. Create the profiles. Granting the privileges to the users. Granting means, what is the meaning of granting? What is the meaning of privilege? Come on.
It's a permission. Giving the permission to users.
Revoke. Next, data management operations. That is data import or
Export.
export. Import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to external systems. Understand?
Sir.
Using some tools, that is data import wizard and data loader. The next one, data automation. And approvals. Data automation means, what is the meaning of automation? Automation means automatically performs the operations without user interaction. That is called what? Data automation. For your understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Suppose I withdraw some amount from the ATM counter. Immediately, will I receive the SMS on my mobile or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me who will send the SMS to my mobile?
Mission.
Is there any specific person in the bank is going to send the SMS? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm asking here?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I withdraw some amount from the ATM counter. Will you receive the will you receive the SMS? Advjava, speak out, guys.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, who will send the SMS to your mobile?
Banking application, bank.
Is there any specific person in the bank manually sending the SMS to your mobile? No.
sir, an application.
Practically, it is not possible, right? It automatically sends the SMS, right?
Banking application.
Yeah. Some application automatically send the message to your mobile. Like that, suppose someone deposits some amount in your account, then also you will receive the SMS. Like that, automatically generating OTPs. Who will send the OTP?
Application.
That is also application automatically generates the OTP. Yes or no? So this is called automation. So without user interaction, without user intervention, some operations automatically performs. That is called data automation and approvals. So you can perform data automation approvals by using some tools which is given by Salesforce, that is
Oh,
workflows, process builder, flow builder, and approval process. These are all called data automation tools. Understand, everyone? Next one, eighth one. Eighth one. Eighth one. Data analysis. That is called business intelligence. This is called reports. And what is the next one here?
Dashboards.
Come on, dashboards. The ninth one, the most important thing, data security. Data security. So we can provide the security in different levels. That is org level security, app level security, tab level security, object level security, field level security, record level security. Under record level security, we have something called OWD. What is OWD stands for? Anyone knows? Organization-wide defaults. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. Manual sharing. These are all comes under record level security. So all these topics, data security, data analysis, data automation approvals, data management. Okay, all these topics we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss in admin topic. Which topic?
Admin topic.
Admin. Am I clear, all of you? Hello, Mayank.
so in the sixth point, you mentioned that data management operation. Is it referring to ETL operations?
Exactly. This is ETL operations only. Extraction, transformation, loading.
So are we using any ETL tool with Salesforce
We
for
are not
this?
using ETL tools. Salesforce themselves, they're given some tools like data import wizard and data loader. Using these tools, we can import and export the data. We are not using any other tools. Hello.
Oh, can we import data from SQL Server, Oracle,
No.
Informatica and load it in
Nothing.
Salesforce?
No Informatica, nothing will use. Salesforce having its own tools. Okay.
All right. Because I saw Tableau mentioned in the Lightning interface, so I
Yeah,
thought,
even Tableau is a reporting tool. That is comes under data analysis. Hello.
okay,
Tableau is a reporting tool. Okay.
okay, sir.
It's not ETL tool. Guys, these are the topics we are going to discuss in admin part. And one more important thing I need to discuss at this particular point of time. Tomorrow morning, I will be out of station. Hello. Hello. Can
Yes,
you hear
sir, we are
me?
hearing. I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, I will be out of station, but your class is there tomorrow night at 9 o'clock, your class. Okay. So don't bother. You please come tomorrow at 9 o'clock as it is, same time like today, like yesterday. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to start the most important topic that is called MVC architecture. What is this? What does MVC stands for?
Model view controllers.
So this MVC architecture I'm going to discuss in tomorrow class. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But the point is, guys, tomorrow morning, early morning, I'm leaving here around 4:30, 5 o'clock. I'll start from here. So that is why I need to go to bed early today. So that is the reason. 15 minutes before I want to close the session today. Okay. Point clear what I'm speaking?
Sir,
Okay.
Do you understand, Mayank, Siddharth?
sir,
15 minutes before I'm leaving today because tomorrow I need to wake up early, around
Okay, sir.
4:30. Okay, Mayank?
Yes, sir, yes.
So
sir,
tomorrow
any
night, 9
fresher
o'clock,
opportunities in Salesforce?
what's Srinivas?
Any fresher opportunities in Salesforce?
Freshers offers.
Yes, I am fresher.
Yeah, why not, Srinivas Reddy? I'll guide you how to prepare for resume for as a fresher, okay? Don't bother. I'll show the job, okay?
Okay, sir.
I think Srinivas Reddy are pursuing MBA, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know about you. No issues. Don't bother about jobs. First, please focus on the subject. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So that is why 15 minutes before I'm leaving today. So tomorrow, please come down and join at 9 o'clock. Okay, Mayank, Srinivas, and Siddharth.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thanks.
sir.